Hey guys, welcome to my new series of React.js. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with React.js, focusing on basic concepts and practical examples. So let's get started. Here in this video, we will talk about single page applications. This is the outline of the video. We will see what is a single page application, how they work, the key aspects of how they function, the advantages of using single page applications, and what are the challenges involved in the use of single page applications. Let's try to understand the base of a single page application. What exactly is an SPA? A single page application is the one that loads a single HTML page. Hence, this kind of website will be different from other websites which are having multiple web pages. Let's try to take an example. Let's say you are visiting a website and you are clicking on some navigation bar links. So whenever you are clicking on any menu inside the navigation bar, if you see a page refresh or a page load inside the tab of your, let's say, Google Chrome, if you're using Google Chrome, so if you see the loading symbol inside the tab, it means that it's a multi-page application. But if you don't see that page refresh symbol or the loading symbol, it means that it is a single page application. Means that only the required content is being rendered. Only whatsoever the menu or whatsoever the link you are clicking upon, only that particular content is being rendered and rest of the part remains as such. And that's the reason SPAs provide a smoother, faster, and a more responsive user experience. There are some popular examples such as Gmail, Google Maps, Facebook, and Twitter. Now let's have a look at the functionality of single page applications. So the first one is the initial load. The initial load of an SPA fetches the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Means when you load a single page application, it will first of all fetch or retrieve the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file for the entire application so that it can be rendered. Next, we have dynamic updates. So once your web page is loaded and you try to navigate and interact, your JavaScript will handle all the updates in the content and fetch the new data whenever required from the server without loading your web page or without a full page refresh. Another important aspect of the functionality of single page application is the client-side routing. SPAs implement client-side routing to update your URL without making request to the server for a new page, because there will be no loading. That is why there will be no new request to the server for a new page. It's the same page, hence only the content is being rendered. Now let's have a look at the benefits of single page application. First one is performance. Because of the reduction in the full page refresh or full page loads, the single page application lead to faster load time. And because the load time is faster, hence your user experience will be better. Next is better user experience. There will be smooth interactions, which will not only improve your user experience, but will also make your application feel a little more natural and intuitive. Next one is development. Because typically everything is handled at the client side, which will ease the development process and hence allowing the developers to build better single and cohesive application rather than managing multiple web pages. But these benefits come at a cost. Hence, there are some challenges involved in the use of single page applications. The first one is it creates problem in search engine optimization. The traditional single page application can be challenging for search engine optimization since the content is dynamically loaded. Then initial load time. SPAs might have a longer initial load time as necessary resources need to be loaded first of all. That's the reason your initial load time can be a little longer, even though it is later on going to save your time because it's not going to have a full page refresh or full page reload. Finally, we have browser history. Managing the browser history and back button behavior can be complex. You just can't press on back button and you might not have a better user experience just like you have in multi-page application. Hope all of you must have got an idea of the single page application. In the next video, we will have an introduction to one of the most important single page application technology, and that is React.js, which is a library of JavaScript. For now, that's all.